Cancerians, this is Shah with Ariana Stark. This is your forecast for February 2021. These are all random messages, so take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Like always, Cancerians, we'll rely on Tarot for your overall reading, and I'll also use some oracle decks that we have here. Possibly a love oracle and Celtic Lenormand for messages from the universe. To wrap up this reading, let's just dive into your reading. Towards the final days of January, stepping into February 2021, we have the Nine of Cups. Certainly, this period you had gotten rewards for past effort, or rewards had come in for the efforts made in the past. Besides, I think you were someone who had grabbed the opportunities that had come your way. For some of you, I'm also picking up that there could have been demands from family members, or you had to make time for them. Maybe they needed your assistance. Possibly your schedules had also gone for a toss, or maybe there were interruptions that you had to deal with. Obstacles to overcome this month in February, we have the Hermit card. You have to gain insight before you move forward. Maybe secrets could come out in the open, or there could be knives being sharpened behind your back. These are challenges that you have to overcome. Perhaps there'll also be disagreements with loved ones or even at the workplace. It's prudent to avoid them and apologize and move on. Again, work pressure could also mount on Cancerians this month. I think you feel yourself being saddled with more and more work or more and more responsibilities, and you want help, but help is not forthcoming. Sometimes I think you also feel as though you're unwanted at home. Maybe you should not compound matters by overthinking or imagining too much. Nonetheless, I think this is also the month when you will find that past dues could come in, or you could get gains from former clients. Influences for the month, we have the card Lovers. Certainly, Cancerians, there's going to be choices with respect to matters of the heart, or even with respect to your work. Sometimes, you could ink deals very quickly, but then later you may think that you should have quoted a higher price. Whatever comes your way is something which you need to take and move forward with it. Communication is also going to bring you gain, so be open to communication, and even if it's going to increase a bit, but then it's bringing you opportunities, so take it. Whatever it is, I think your creativity will be appreciated, and you'll also be able to complete a lot, or whatever you have set out to do. The first 10 days of February for Cancerians, we have the card Seven of Pentacles. Certainly it is a time to reevaluate or to think about financial issues. Possibly you should ask for an increment in this period in case you're already working. On the other hand, those of you who are looking for employment opportunities, I think in case you're going for an interview, then you should haggle with the person and quote a higher price to get what you desire. Another thing I'm also picking up, that there could be gains made which will come in. Maybe you have invested in the past in mutual funds or in the stock exchange, so you can expect a neat profit. For some Cancerians, I'm also picking up that you could be investing in gadgets or in making an investment, but don't invest more than whatever you want to invest. I think in case you're dealing with clients also, possibly your junior could also be firm and handle the client who's trying to make you come around, or who wants you to lower your price for your services. Possibly he's taking advantage of you and has also tried to intimidate you in the past. So this junior could be a blessing in disguise. Towards 11th to 20th February for Cancerians, we have the Hierophant card. Possibly it's time to pay up your dues as well. In case you owe somebody any money, then you should do so. This is also the High Priest in the deck, so you are going to get spiritual insight in this period. Largely for Cancerians in this period, I think there'll be life-changing experiences. You may also realize that all the problems that you're encountering, or all the spiritual problems, basically the insight that you're going to gain will help you heal as well. Some days I think you'll be in a very foul mood. Maybe you feel that you have a lot to deal with, or there's a lot which you can't handle. Because of this, you're being irritable, or the overwork or the pressure of work could mount. Maybe you're also someone who is sleep deprived, so you need to catch up on your sleep. Nonetheless, I think in this period, Cancerians, you should also ask for favors, and you will be obliged. Sometimes, you have to return the favor later on, but then right now you need to ask people or tap into your contacts for favors. Maybe on the home front also there could be some changes which are being made by your sibling or within the home, but you are not going to be happy about it. Maybe you're going to resist the change. In this period also, I think you will review the work done by your juniors. Maybe you're going to point out the flaws because you desire perfection from them. By the way, I think Cancerians, you should also be careful because people could take advantage of you. Maybe they want to, or they expect you to do the work and they could want to walk away with the closets. Maybe you're also being bullied by your seniors and superiors, so you should be mindful of that. Towards the final days, that is towards 21st to 28th Feb, we have the Page of Cups. Communication will increase in this period. I think you will be sought after for your words of wisdom. Possibly Cancerians, you're also going to be called upon to be the caregiver. This could have a impact on you. Maybe it could leave you stressed out because you are called upon to be a bit patient. For some of you, I'm also picking up that you may be quite withdrawn in this period. Maybe you don't want to get into unnecessary arguments. Sometimes, even after doing your best, your family members or your loved ones may feel that you're not doing enough. So this could irk you a bit. Maybe you think you need to point out or you need to blow your own trumpet because everybody should be aware of whatever you have done for them. Interestingly, in this period also, I'm picking up that maybe estranged people could re-enter your life. And this could disturb the family peace. Maybe you should also work on your throat chakra in this period. That is why I think you'll be a bit withdrawn. So you want to focus on your own self. As you know, your communication is going to increase, but then there'll be those times when you feel that it should take a back seat. On the work front, on the professional scene, I think Cancerians, you have to brace yourself because there could be unnecessary change of plans. Possibly your boss is quite whimsical and he expects you to toe the line. You may be reluctant because you feel that her plans or her ideas are impractical, but you could be forced to give in to the person's demands. Social life would also be on the upswing in this period. Maybe that is why you're a bit distracted. You have to keep away the work and focus on the guests or give your time to them. Basically, time could be at a premium. Also, I think while working, you should be ethical or you should be more transparent. Nonetheless, in this period, also Cancerians, I'm picking up that you'll be quite large-hearted. With respect to your love life, I have the card, my family and upbringing are a bigger factor than I realized. Cancerians, I think there could be limitations imposed upon you by your family or on account of your society, or the societal limitations could be there upon you or your lover. So this could be a factor in your relationship, no doubt. Nonetheless, Cancerians, I'm picking up that there could be a choice in love also. Maybe you could be remembering about past lovers, or you may be thinking about them. Maybe you had your chances with them, but you didn't go ahead with the relationship. You could also be recalling conversations with someone special with whom you have had in the past. These memories could crop up in your head. You may also be dealing with an on-again, off-again lover as well. Those who have feelings for someone or where you haven't acknowledged your feelings or you have kept it hidden, I think you may have the urge to call up and express yourself, but then I think you would withdraw yourself. For some of you, I'm also picking up that you may be concerned about an ex-flame, but then you think you should not get into the mess or you should not get involved in it, so you will keep out or keep away. There'll be a suitors, no doubt, for you, but you may be disinclined. Maybe marriage proposal could also come your way on account of a matrimonial site or on a dating site, even from a far-off place. But you may fail to understand that it could be in a circuitous manner. By the way, for some of you, I'm also picking up that you could be dealing with the past life issue here, because there could be dreams about someone from your past life which could stir up certain feelings in you. On the other hand, romancing Cancerians, I think your lover is someone who is going to reaffirm his feelings for you. Maybe you're going to discuss work-related strategies. You will bounce ideas of each other. Sometimes, you may be somebody who is quite aloof, or maybe you should read book extracts or be more romantic. Why are you putting limitations on yourself? That's what I'm picking up right now. There'll be also some opposition, like I said. This card certainly outlines that perfectly well. Sometimes, you may also feel as though you're being watched, or somebody is keeping an eye on your relationship. Married Cancerians, I think you should avoid arguments or silly quarrels. Money could also be an issue here. Maybe your husband or your spouse thinks that you're very profligate, so you need to be more careful with finances. There could also be disagreements. In case you're a parent, then there could be disagreements with respect to how you need to raise your child. Sometimes you think you're always doing your utmost, but your spouse is someone who is disregarding you. So these limitations are something which you have to deal with. In case you're in an extramarital relationship, I think you want to go ahead and you want the relationship to be public, but your person is not ready. In case you have plans to go out also, maybe he will pour water to those plans. Possibly he may say that work has come up. So this could leave you a bit distressed, because you wonder where's the relationship heading. From this Celtic Lenormand, we have the card Lily. This is messages from the universe. Lily talks about purity. It talks about harmony and innocence. Maybe you have to find peace and harmony in certain situations. Maybe you need to keep a cool head with respect to circumstances which could go out of hand. Another card we have here is cross, which is burdens. We all have a cross to bear, but then your problem is something which you should share with other people. Maybe you're somebody who is quite sacrificing. You have to keep the faith and you have to find peace in the situation. Possibly you could lessen your burdens by talking to other people. Cancerians, I think you shouldn't keep to yourself, but I think towards the final days, because we have the Page of Cups, so you may be doing, or you may be withholding yourself. I hope Cancerians, you liked your reading. This is Char with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. We also have the weekly love reading, which is published every week. Have a look at that as well to get greater insight into your love life. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.